In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pixar-style AI video with Seedance 2.5. And this is the result of this tutorial. So to create a video like the one you saw, first we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And well, this is a platform that you can try for just $1. So that way you can follow this tutorial paying only that, $1. So well, now after you have created the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and in model, we are going to use the model Seedance 2.5. Now in the duration, I'm going to use, for example, 12 seconds, because I don't want a very long video for this tutorial, but you can do videos up to 30 seconds long. Now here you can upload many images, audios, and video of reference, but I don't have any character to upload or something like that, so I'm not going to upload an image, an audio, or a video. So now here, we have to use a prompt. I'm going to use this prompt that is going to be in the comment section, but here the important part is this one, where I describe to the AI that I want a Pixar 3D animation style video. This part that is here is where I describe the scene, but you can describe any other scene here. So now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the result. The quality of the video is really similar to the Pixar styles movies. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. With that, you will be able to create videos like this one. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.